Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be making some light and fluffy Yorkshire pudding. There's no need to go out and buy frozen Yorkshire pudding because they are super easy to make using approximately 5 ingredients that you might already have in your home. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and join the family, and for those who are returning, welcome back. To see how easy it is to make this Yorkshire pudding, keep on watching. As mentioned earlier, you will need only a few ingredients. Here I have some flour, some oil, eggs, milk, and salt. You will also need a muffin tray and a large mixing bowl and a whisk. The very first thing I'm going to be doing is to preheat my oven to 425 degrees. Next, I'm going to pour approximately 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of oil into each hole in the baking tray. Place the baking tray with the oil in the preheated oven for approximately 10 minutes. The oil needs to be sizzling hot before the batter is ready. While the oil is heating, in a large mixing bowl, add all 4 eggs. Using the whisk, give that a good mix. Next, add the milk followed by 2 cups of flour and a pinch of salt. I am sieving the flour to remove any lumps and to ensure a nice smooth batter. Use the whisk and mix that really well until all traces of the flour disappears and you have a smooth liquid consistency. Pour the batter in a measuring cup or a jug with a spout to ensure easy pouring. Now that the batter is ready, you can set that aside. Once the oil is very hot, use an oven mitt and carefully remove it from the oven and pour equal amount in each hole. You will need to get the Yorkshire pudding mixture into the baking tin and back inside the oven as quickly and safely as possible. You will need to be extra careful as the oil is sizzling hot. Place the batter in the oven and bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until risen and golden brown. Do not open the oven door during the baking process. Doing so will deflate your Yorkshire pudding. Once your baking time is up, carefully remove your Yorkshire pudding from the oven. You may serve your Yorkshire pudding alongside your Sunday roast or with some roast beef and gravy. If you've made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video.